A&A Air are proud to present this very nice collectible 1961 twin Beech G18S. It is ready to fly anywhere for work or play. The current aircraft owners use this aircraft to voluntarily fly more than 30,000 pounds of relief freight to the Florida Keys after Hurricane Irma in September of 2017. This twin-engine Beech is always a crowd favorite at the local fly-ins. It is always hangared, and the condition reflects the care and consideration the owners have shown it. This plane has strong maintenance records and is well equipped. Its features include a leather executive interior and has STEC autopilot. Currently on an FAA LOA for scenic rides, its appeal and utility make it a good revenue producer. If you are new to the Beech G18S, we have qualified instructor who can check you out or teach you to fly the aircraft. Also, we are able to deliver anywhere in North America for expenses. Times are subject to change because it's so much fun to fly and it is not sitting idle. Specs and times subject to buyer's verification. Trades are considered including aircraft, cars, trucks, motorcycles, motorhome, or other recreational vehicles. Currently looking for a C206 with float kit and a Comanche 250 or 260. If you're interested in this aircraft, please give Sean a call on his cell phone at 888-261-7799.